I want to take you to a place that makes you forget your world. Where a landscape can transport you to another time. Where something as simple as a stream of water, a blade of grass, or the cracks of a tree can steal your attention. A place where you are no longer in control.
Now go on your back so you can come out.
Where you need to take risks for the rewards, and the reward is nothing other than being where you are, which results in moments of spontaneous magic. You sleep with the moon, dream with the stars, and wake with the sun. As we pulled further and further away from the city, a signal dropped as paved roads became dirt. And as I became disconnected for the first time in ages, I started to work out why this feels so good, and asked the question, why we don't do this more often. We are living in a society that is filled with obstacles stopping us from getting back to nature. Vacation days can be limited, it's expensive to rent gear, and life can just get in the way. It's hard to abandon everyday comforts, the convenience of being close to restaurants and bars, being able to get almost anything on demand, sitting on the couch and watching TV after a long, tiring day and ordering takeout, are all things we feel like we can't live without, but are maybe stopping us from living. And I don't think that is what the human experience is supposed to be. So maybe it isn't about why we all love this feeling of being in nature, but rather why we need it. I'm sure there's a lot of science that can prove why being in nature is important for us mentally and physically, but I can only tell you how I feel, and what it is that makes me feel so energized by nature. It's the accomplishment you feel when you reach the peak of a hike and your muscles are aching and that peanut butter sandwich tastes extra good. It's the spontaneous magic that comes from doing insignificant things. It's the fact that time slows down. It's the feeling of gratification that comes with having to work for what you want and need. It's being somewhere older than our minds can perceive, untouched by man. And this is why I've taken you to the Cederberg Mountains, a rocky, jagged, rust-colored landscape that has seen the beginning of life, where it's wilder, warmer, dramatic, and scarce. It's hard to choose what's more breathtaking, the towering mountains or the bright purple and orange sunsets, isolated and undeveloped. You can make it what you need it to be. You can climb, you can hike, you can relax. But really, it could be anywhere. I know it might be difficult to take the time to go out in nature, but I hope this inspires you to go on an adventure, big or small. Or reminisce on a happy memory in the wild, who you were with and what you did. I hope that you watch this and realize how lucky we are to call these places home. I hope this story takes you somewhere you've never been before.